Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you are fine. Our today's topic is about hormonal control of digestion. The activities of the gastrointestinal tract are under neural and hormonal control for proper coordination of different parts. The sight, smell, or the presence of food in the oral cavity can stimulate the secretion of saliva. Gastric and intestinal secretions are also similarly stimulated by neural signals. The muscular activities of different parts of the alimentary canal can also be moderated by neural mechanism, both local and through central nervous system. Hormonal control of the secretion of digestive juices is carried out by the local hormones produced by the gastric and intestinal mucosa. The role of some of the major gastrointestinal hormone in human digestion are given in the table. Role of some major gastrointestinal hormones in digestion. You can see from the table serial number, name of the hormone, source, target organ, and the action. Hormone is gastrin, its source is stomach, and the target organ is also stomach. Action: stimulate the gastric gland to secrete and release gastric juice. Second hormone is androgesterone. It is also called gastric inhibitory peptide or GIP. Source is duodenum, target organ is stomach, and action: it inhibits gastric secretion and motility, that is, it slows gastric contraction. Next hormone is secretin. This was the first hormone discovered by scientists. The source of secretin is duodenum. Target organs are pancreas, liver, and stomach. Action: releases bicarbonates in the pancreatic juice, increases secretion of bile, decreases gastric secretion and motility. Next hormone, cholecystokinin pancreozymin, abbreviated as CCKPZ. Cholecystokinin pancreozymin, CCKPZ. Source is the small intestine and target organs are gallbladder and pancreas. Action: contracts the gallbladder to release bile, stimulates pancreas to secrete and release digestive enzymes in the pancreatic juice. Next hormone is duocrinin. Duocrinin, the source of this hormone is duodenum and the target organ is also duodenum. Action: stimulates the Brenner's glands to release the mucus and enzymes into the intestinal juice. Next hormone is endocrinin. Source is small intestine and the target organ is also small intestine. Action: stimulates the crypts of Lebercon to release enzymes into the intestinal juice. Next hormone is vasoactive intestinal peptide or VIP, vasoactive intestinal peptide or VIP. Source is small intestine and the target organs are small intestine and stomach. Action: dilates peripheral blood vessels of gut, inhibits gastric acid secretion. Next hormone is villikinin. Source is the small intestine and the target organ is again small intestine. Action: accelerates movements of villi. Next hormone is somatostatin SS. Somatostatin. Source: delta cells of islets of Langerhans of pancreas, argentophin cells of gastric and intestinal glands. The target organ: pancreas, gastrointestinal tract. This is for delta cells of islets of Langerhans of pancreas. Action: inhibits the secretion of glucagon by alpha cells and insulin by beta cells. It also inhibits absorption of nutrients from gastrointestinal tract. Hormone is again somatostatin. Source: argentophin cells of gastric and intestinal glands. Target organ: gastrointestinal tract. Action: suppresses the release of hormones from the digestive tract. Next hormone is pancreatic polypeptide or PP. Source is pancreatic polypeptide cells. Target organ is the pancreas and action: inhibits the release of pancreatic juice from the pancreas. So this was about the hormonal control of digestion. Thanks.